Hi guys, welcome back to my channel once again. As you see, the title is how to change the username of PC or computer. Okay, it's very easy. You must go to the control panel page, so you can go from anywhere. I will show you from the search bar. Okay, this is the control panel. Go to the control panel page and go to user account. Just sub options of the user account, you will find there change account type. Okay, this is the change account type, and go to the change account type and click there you will find the accounts, your local accounts. Just press there, then see there is change the account name. While you press there, see you will find the options to change your account name, and just type your account name whatever you want, and you will see your account name has been changed. This is how we can change our PC or computer name. Hi guys, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the more updates. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.